Hashtag can no longer make you go viral. In fact, hashtag has never made anybody go viral. There are important things for you to do in your video for you to go viral. But however, hashtags are important in your videos because it enables your videos to be rooted out in different aspects, not only on YouTube. And that is why hashtags are very, very important when it comes to your video. But now, a lot of mistake that a lot of people do make is they do not know how to maximize the use of hashtags. Take, for example, you go to some people's video, you see over 10,000 to 50,000 hashtags, different hashtags with different words, no connection as to whatever relating to the video. Now, if you're having a lifestyle niche, I advise you that your lifestyle niche hashtags should be under your description as always. There is no way you are going to be watching my videos. You check under on all of my descriptions, you are going to be seeing my relatable hashtags. Now, another mistake a lot of people do make is they go ahead to use a lifestyle niche hashtag on a tutorial channel lifestyle or a tutorial channel lifestyle on a gaming channel. So if you're doing all of this, there's going to be a lot of confusion with the algorithm, because the moment the algorithm is trying to root out your videos using a particular hashtag on another platform, and someone ended up clicking your videos and seeing that that video is not relating to what he or she is looking for, one, that person will not subscribe. Secondly, that person will not come back to watch more of a video. Thirdly, that person will not give the YouTube algorithm momentum for the algorithm to push out your videos very well. Now, what am I going to be doing for you in today's video? I'm going to be rooting out 10 different channels, and I'm also going to be sharing with you each of those hashtags you will use to those channels according to your niches. Now, I want to make it out clear here that do not be deceived that hashtag doesn't work at all at all. It contributes a little percentage. I will not tell you that hashtag can make you go viral, no, but it contributes to a little percentage. And if hashtag is not important at all on YouTube platform, YouTube would not be able to add it down here. I hope we are cleared on that. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sonia. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if this is the first time you're tuning in, I try my possible best to help you on your YouTube growth journey and also give you different ways that you can literally make money from the comfort of your home. With that being said, I've already jotted down my hashtags and how I actually wanted to tell you guys. So I'll be starting from my first niche to my 10th niche. So any particular niche that you are into, these are the hashtags you should use. Don't use plenty and don't use less, okay? Now, I'm going to be starting with the health and fitness niche. And for the health and fitness niche, your content ideas should be something like weight loss tips, home workout, healthy meals, fitness motivation, etc. And the best hashtag for you to literally use is hashtag health tips. I will just screenshot them and put them at this side so that you guys can also see, so that you can also snap it and then use it, right? Hashtag health tips, hashtag fitness journey, hashtag weight loss, hashtag healthy living, hashtag home workout, hashtag fit Nigeria, depending on the country that if you're in US, hashtag fit US, hashtag fit Kenya, depending, then hashtag wellness life. I'll be putting the screenshots here, like I said. Now, the second one I'm going to be talking about is the relationship and love advice, which is if you're in the relationship niche, you want to talk about a lot of things relating that, and content ideas relating dating advice, marriage tips, red flags, communication skills, etc. Now, the best hashtag for you to use is hashtag relationship advice, hashtag love tips, hashtag marriage goals, hashtag dating advice, hashtag healthy relationship, hashtag couples talk, and hashtag love life. Now, the third one I'm going to be talking about is the motivational niche. Either you're doing motivation on your normal, you're coming to look at me like this, or you are using what they call it, AI, whichever one. So on the motivational niche and self-development, the content idea that I have for you is success mindset, discipline, we have goals setting, we have personal growth, etc. Now, the best hashtag for you to literally use is hashtag motivation day, hashtag self-development, hashtag success mindset, hashtag stay focused, hashtag personal growth, hashtag inspiration, and hashtag level up. Now, if people are looking for videos relating to all of this hashtag under your description and under your videos, there is no way, it is not possible that at all, your videos are not going to be recommended. Now, the fourth one I have is the tech review, which is people that review phones, gadgets. You can also do that. You must not have all of that phone. Even the phone you are holding, the camera you're using, the mic you're using, anything relating to tech that you know you have and you have a very good knowledge about it, you can go ahead and do what? And explore, review them for people to see. Now, content idea relating to this particular niche is what? Phone reviews, Android phone comparison, gadget unboxing, tech tips, etc. The best hashtag for you to use is hashtag tech review, hashtag gadget review, hashtag iPhone tips, hashtag Android life, hashtag tech news, hashtag smartphone, hashtag tech YouTubers. So if I am coming on YouTube to search for tech gadgets, tech YouTubers, maybe I want to recreate videos about tech YouTubers, because you have those hashtags under your channels and that is what you do, definitely YouTube will be able to root out your content. Okay, now the fifth one I have here is the finance and money tips, which the content idea is save money, investments, side hustle, crypto basic, etc. And the hashtag I have here is hashtag money tips, hashtag financial freedom, hashtag investments, hashtag side hustle, hashtag make money online, hashtag wealth building, hashtag finance education. You don't need to do much. Now, the sixth one I have is the comedy and skits. Those people that want to entertain us, that want to make us laugh. Now, the content ideas I have for you is everyday Nigerian life, comedy, relationship skits, trending jokes, etc. Now, the best hashtag for you to use is hashtag comedy skits, hashtag Nigerian comedy, depending on the country that you are, hashtag funny video, hashtag Ninja comedy, hashtag laugh out loud, hashtag trending skits, hashtag what? Comedy content. Now, the seventh I have on my list is the food and cooking niche. Food and cooking niche, which the content ideas include Nigerian's recipe, any of your country recipe, easy meals, street food, cooking tutorials. It must not be that you are on a cooking or food niche. Everything is about food, food, food. You must cook, 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 cook. No. Go to streets, go and explore other street food. Go and explore other country food. Anything you just need to do, right? Now, the hashtag is hashtag cooking channels. Now, if people are looking for cooking channels, your channel will be able to root out. If you think I'm joking, pause this video, go and search cooking channels and see if people with good hashtags and with good what they're doing will not come out. Now, hashtag food lovers, hashtag Nigerian food. If you are Korean, hashtag Korean food, hashtag soul food, different type of thing, right? Hashtag easy recipe, hashtag home cooking, hashtag foodie, hashtag kitchen tips, right? Now, the eighth one I have on my list here is the education and tutorial niche. And your content ideas should be things like WAEC and JAM prep, university tips, skills tutorials, NYSC tutorials. I've done NYSC tutorial. I remember that time. You can check on my channel, you see it. And the videos are still doing well to date. Anybody that wants to search, they will still search for those videos till today, right? Now, the best hashtag is educational, hashtag education matters, hashtag study tips, hashtag jam prep, hashtag learning online, hashtag tutorial videos, hashtag student life, hashtag academic success. It's not difficult. Now, the ninth one I have is on the fashion and beauty niche, okay, which is what? Content idea is content idea is styling tips, skincare routine, makeup, tutorials, outing ideas, etc. Now, important hashtag is hashtag fashion style, hashtag beauty tips, hashtag skincare routine, hashtag makeup tutorial, hashtag style in sport, hashtag African fashion, hashtag glow up. Now, the last one I have before I give you like a general hashtag you can use that can actually enhance your video when it comes to YouTube is this, which is a travel and lifestyle. Those ones that love doing vlog, they like exploring, they like traveling. Now, what you do is what? Content ideas, which is exploring city, daily routine. You guys can see, I even do that on my Facebook, right? Luxury life, vlogs, any categories at all that you fall under the travel and lifestyle. Now, the best hashtag you should be using is hashtag travel vlog, hashtag lifestyle vlog, hashtag explore Africa, hashtag luxury lifestyle, hashtag daily vlogs, hashtag adventure time, hashtag travel goals. These are important hashtags that can literally help you. Now, if you are confused of your niche, you don't even know if you are in the left side or you are in the right side, simple hashtag that you should be using is hashtag trending, hashtag viral video. Do you get? But the thing about those particular hashtag is when a particular trend is going and you follow a particular trend, is going to like go in line with your video. But when a particular trend is not relating to what you're actually doing, it is not going to do anything. That is why the first thing that you are supposed to do is to find your niche. Now, I believe in all of these 10 niche that I mentioned, every single person should fall under this category. But if you think that I did not mention your niche, do well for me, drop it in the comment section and I'll try my possible best to do another video and mention your niche specifically and the particular type of hashtag you should literally be using on those videos. These are tips that are able to help me to grow my channel to 90 something thousand subscribers. I have a channel of 5,000. I have another channel of over 8,000 subscribers. Do you get? And I believe that this can literally help you. Don't be deceived that hashtag is not working. Don't be deceived that you don't need hashtag. You definitely need it. If you don't need it, like I said, YouTube will not put it there. There's no sharp media platform right now that are not using hashtag. YouTube do that, Facebook do that, Instagram do that, TikTok do that. So that's to tell you that hashtags are important. That's to say that hashtag can actually help you root out your videos, right? Anyways, I hope I've been able to help someone out there. And if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do what, subscribe. Like this video, drop in your comments. And lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And thank you so much for staying stick and hook with me to the end of this video. And yes, with that being said, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.